Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. And today I want to show you a Snoopy telephone. This is Jeff's telephone, and we don't have the top of it because sometimes I have customers, you know, just the base of the phone is basically everything that you need, really. And unless there's something else going on with the telephone, we usually just have the customer send in the base unit. It's easier to ship the base unit, and that way Snoopy stays safe at home in his doghouse. And so anyway, this is Jeff's telephone, and he's got a note here, and he's talking about how he can't dial out. Everything else works fine, but it won't dial out. And it says, by the way, his father disconnected the bell wire and is asking if I could reconnect the bell wire up, because back in the old days, the phone company would charge you for how many telephones were ringing in your house. So his dad disconnected the bell. And so that was just crazy what the phone companies did back then. But basically what would happen is, I guess they would try to monitor your line and figure out how much REN you were pulling out of the line when the bell would ring. So basically he disconnected the bell so that they wouldn't be able to observe that there was any extra phones on their telephone line. So anyway, basically we're going to go through this. This is the initial checkout. We're going to go through this telephone, and I have the keypad loose here. I kind of wanted to give you a little look at the keypad and the way they're designed, because through different years keypads were designed differently, and this was the one that had the tunable coils on it basically, and just gives you a little look at how they worked and all your finger connections there. And when you would dial, it would push everything. You can see them moving. And that was just some of the contacts. They have contacts all the way around the sides. So we'll troubleshoot this telephone out and find out why it's not dialing out for him, and we'll go from there. And we will be absolutely sure to put the bell wire back on, and so that this telephone rings. So it's probably been a while since this telephone rang because it's been disconnected. So it's going to be like a brand new bell probably. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. This is the initial checkout of a Snoopy Woodstock telephone for Jeff. And it just kind of gives you a little look at what these telephones look like if you've never seen the inside of one. And these original Snoopies and Mickeys and the rest of them that you would get through the phone company were really well-made telephones. And there's a lot of them out there that lasted a long time because they were made so well. And they're really a cool telephone. And I think anybody would want one. We're just missing the body off of this because a lot of times we don't have the customer send them in because we don't need them. Unless an arm is broke or something like that, where you hang up the phone, we just don't need them parts, and it's easier to ship this way. So that gives you a little bit of a look at a Snoopy Woodstock telephone. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.